love and greetings. I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, a very special welcome to you. Our approach to marriage is super positive, just like this topic. I love this topic. How to make your spouse number one. And this one is especially for women. Men and women are very different. Our approach to marriage is different. How we handle situations is different. And this topic calls for a different approach as well. So, first let's talk about why, number one, what it actually means in your life. So in your life, you have a lot of relationships, you know a lot of people, you do a lot of things, but of all of the things that are important for you and to you, there are two things that really take the prize. Number one, we could say because of the responsibility, are your children. But the second thing, which really should be number one, but we can toss them back and forth, is the relationship you have with your husband. Why is this so important? It is so important because he's your soulmate. And within the context of your marriage, which I call the sacred space of marriage, within that context, we are given the opportunity to do very important things. One, to learn to love unconditionally. And you may say, well, I already love him unconditionally. And no, you don't. We always have things in our subconscious that are holding us back, bad habits, and so forth. And so we need to cultivate that love, which is one of the ways we keep him number one in your life. The other thing we need to learn to do is we need to learn to behave. And being married means ultimately that you will be challenged. You'll have your challenging moments. Most people end up arguing and being stupid, quite frankly. They forget this is my soulmate and they fight rather than transcend that situation that comes up, that is a challenge, and get back into the love. You see, the love is everything in marriage, everything. You get married for the purpose of being happier and for the purpose of learning to love unconditionally. And I'd like just for a moment to ask you to subscribe to the channel now and like the video. And so these are the points that will help you so much. First of all, consider it a necessity to proactively cultivate that love you have for your husband. Do not just go, yeah, I love him, what's the big deal? You have to cultivate that love, utilizing your free will, and you can do this. You have volition, free will, and use determination. And then when these things come up that are distractors, just go back to the love. Go back to the love. You may want to read Breaking the Cycle, which is the book that I wrote about marriage. And my stuff is very different because I used to be a divorce mediator, so I don't have this nonsensical approach that the Western psychologists have towards marriage. For me, it's all practical. Happiness and love. Happiness and love. And so that's how you do it. Cultivate that love. Again, I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. I'm so pleased that you stopped by. You could leave a comment/question. God bless you and take care. Thank you.